Hello, my name is Maria Kądzielska and you are watching Poland Daily Culture. And today again we face the topic of an ongoing war in Ukraine, the aid and the help and charity organizations, and what in Poland can be done in order to help or to rebuild Ukraine. With us in the studio is Matt Copper, the CEO of Good Comes Back. Again, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
And recently you've been to a very prestigious and close meeting with Sir Richard Branson, a billionaire but also a philanthropist, someone who is right now and currently interested in helping Ukraine, but also in doing this through Poland, which is extremely interesting. What are the challenges of present challenges of a charity organization in order to help?
We have many great challenges with helping those who are in Ukraine and those who are refugees to Poland. And for example, the main strategic question is how to stabilize the situations. On one side, maybe some of the people, they want to come back. We know that many people are coming back now to Ukraine. One of the organizations, global organization, now is working in Bucha to prepare the schools and to prepare the houses for those who want to come back. And there is a challenge to fundraise money for that, to rebuild the infrastructure and to rebuild the homes, to give the possibility to people to come back to the, let's say, normal life in Ukraine. So this is number one. Number two, we are very proud what Polish people did for the refugees from Ukraine. And of course, we open our hearts, we open our homes, but in this situation, probably the refugees can't stay with our families for another years.
Well, of course, people are getting a little bit too tired with what's going on.
So the question is how to structurize the help. And for that reason, for example, UNICEF, the children villages, the SOS children villages, Szlachetna Paczka, and many different organizations present on this meeting. And some of them, they have like 12,000 volunteers. So for example, Szlachetna Paczka organized solidarity package for those Ukrainian families who want to stay in Poland. So maybe we can help, and like we're doing Szlachetna Paczka for the Christmas, we can make it also now as a solidarity package for those who want to stay in Poland. But again, right now the challenge is how to help these people to have a normal life in Poland, get a job, how to help them with the kids, because now is the summer, kids can't stay alone at home. But the biggest probably fear for all of this organization is what will happen with those families, with these people when we have another winter. Because, you know, the first winter, the Polish people opened the houses and they stay in the houses. And now what's happened with all these people? And what's the genius part about strategy and strategic thinking of Sir Richard Branson? He's one of the most recognizable global leaders, businessmen, kind of Elon Musk, on this kind of level of the celebrity or business authority globally, and he's helping for many years to different charity organization and helping in a rescue situation globally. So right now his effort is how to bring more presence in media of the situation that is happening in Ukraine and with the Ukraine refugees in Poland, because he can use his leverage and his popularity to help those in need and to actually engage the people globally to send more help to Poland or to Ukraine to build some kind of sustainable situation for all of us.
Those are very hard questions, but definitely things which we have to challenge.
Yes.
And since the time is running and the situations in Ukraine doesn't seem to get very much better, or at least stable.
But imagine, like, we have 4 months since the war started, not even 4 months since the war started. The time is going so fast. In another 4 months, we'll have almost winter. So we have to act very quickly and of course the charitable organization. The average people in Poland are doing amazing work, but now is the situation where we have to structurize this, maybe by the politicians, but maybe also by technology, where we have good comes back and we can show the results of the work of the volunteers organization to engage more people from Poland and from all around the world to send the help. Also sending the help inside the Ukraine is a huge challenge, because you have to have someone right there in Ukraine to know where the help is needed and where is used the right way.
Those are questions which have to be answered, and they have to be answered quickly. So what is our message to all of you? Of course, we invite you, as many charity organizations and also philanthropists, to come to Poland, to invest here, to help the government and to help the organizations in order to bring new peace and order to Ukraine, and aid for those people who are in desperate situations. And again, thank you very much for watching our show.